Video. Again, we are in Fay Park. Just right after the entrance is a 5A side football court. So for some healthy competition, grab your friends and colleagues and get your muscles moving. To enhance your hand-to-eye coordination skills, 3 permanent table tennis tables are provided. Made with natural and sustainable materials, the play area will keep children and even adults entertained for hours. A heart-pumping game is better played with the sand between your toes. So why don't you try beach volleyball this weekend? Mini trampolines? I love it. A one large-scale bouldering wall uses artificial rocks. Climbers can use this without the use of ropes and harnesses. Looking at the ramps and its surface, this skate park will surely be enjoyed by the skaters. How about some hoops with friends on any of these 3 multi-purpose half-courts? Grabe. 130 kilograms. Ang bigat ko na, grabe. Fitness enthusiasts of any level can enjoy a range of keep fit equipment. Standard-sized badminton court is provided, which demands excellent fitness. Players requires aerobic stamina, agility, strength, speed, and precision. There's only one food truck available in Fay Park, and it's Burger on Wheels. It will be open around 2 in the afternoon. Mini golf course is another fun way to enjoy your visit. muna tayo. Parang mas maganda pag nakasalamin. Balik natin. Good start. Over 2,000 plants, shrubs, and grasses were carefully selected to increase local biodiversity and ecosystems for the entire city area. So by conditioning the soil and using modern irrigation systems, the park uses 50% less water than a conventional park. So for me, this is the best spot because of this high ground. Okay, you can view the skate park. And at your background, you can see the gate towers. There's a table here, you can sit. Na-meet natin si Jeron TV dito.
Hello guys!
Yun. Ano nga pala ulit channel mo?
Guys, manood kayo ng Jeron TV ha. Puro travels ang binibigay namin na mga video.
Kasama mo si Mrs.?
Kasama ko si Mrs.
Alright.
Oh. And also support Chill with Del. Of course, thumbs up para kay Chill with Del. Yeah.
Anong latest video na ginawa mo?
Huling-huli, panoorin niyo Abu Dhabi Island to.
Wow!
Video.
May ginawa din ako doon pero ano, biking naman, MTB. So, yun, sana ma-check nyo rin yan.
Yung biking track nila doon.
Yun, the best doon. Anong ginawa nyo doon?
Hindi ko kami lahat. Nagpunta kami ng bike park, nagpunta kami ng biking track, yung malaking biking track sa iba't ibang kilometers ang haba. Tapos nagpunta rin kami ng beach. Try nyo yung beach. The best yung beach, lalo na yung may port na nilalakaran.
So, yun. Nakita kami ni Jeron dito. Parang coincidence lang. Nasa Fay Park kami and kailangan pala magpa-book dito, sabi ni Jeron. So mamaya kakausapin natin yung admin doon sa may gate. Tatanungin natin yung details about doon, di ba?
But it's totally free
Oo. Sobrang free, yun yung the best dito. At ang ganda ng court. Di ba? Nakita nyo naman doon sa videos natin kanina, di ba? So, yun. So, Jeron, salamat.
Salamat din,
next time, I hope mag-collab tayo.
Sure, no problem. Collab tayo.
Sige, sige.
Subscribe kay Chill with Del,
Okay,
guys.
Jeron TV, don't forget. Chill.
Thumbs up.
I just finished booking. Actually, they're open around 7 a.m. till 11 p.m. So I tried to book for tomorrow's badminton because there's only one court, so I need to book for it. But for the basketball and the table tennis, there are lots of courts, so there's no need for booking. But for the weekends, since lots of people are coming here, so we need to book. This area beside the entrance, this is the booking office, so you need to book here. So if you're planning to go here by bike and you want to run, you can park your bike here, lock it up, then you can start your running here. This is the starting point. And if you go back, this is the finish line. It is 800 meters. Let's go. Looking for toilet? They also have toilet for women. And on this side, the back side, for men, men's toilet here. Let's go inside. Here's the toilet. It's cold here. It's air conditioned. Here's the toilet. It's clean. Yeah. We have two for those who are disabled, they also have accessible toilet. Okay, sink working properly. They have soap. They have tissue. So that concludes our Fay Park. I hope you like this video. Again, we are in Fay Park. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you will always be updated on my vlogs. Thank you so much. Again, Rodel, signing out. A mask is a mask. Keep distance and wash your hands.